John Witherspoon, and I'm cooking for poor people, or if you prefer, lean time. Now say you got some friends coming over, your friend, and they got about 4 other people coming over, fellas with their girlfriend, they want you to cook for them. And you ain't got no money, you know what you do? Cook yourself a 7-bone steak. It's called 7-bone roast. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that big piece of meat. Look at that big piece of meat there. You know what that big piece of meat called? Costs $7.52. Now I'm gonna show you how to make it. Simple. 7-bone roast. I got something for you. The one thing about the 7-bone roast, it's real tough. The worst part of the cow, I think it's the cow's ass. You know, the cow ain't sitting on his ass too long. So the roast is gonna be real tough. So I'm gonna tell you what you gotta do. You gotta cook it real slow. 7 bones. See, the times are hard now. And I have a little song. Be happy. Don't worry about nothing. Be happy. Look at that. Oh, I can imagine, boy, wrap some onions around that 7-bone roast. Woo! Don't nobody go in the bathroom for the next. Woo! I got my friends and we're gonna play some basketball. I'm designated to cook some food, so I'm gonna surprise them with a French delicacy called pierre de cochon. Pierre de cochon. Pig feet. But see, they don't know about it. See, let me tell you something. Look, I love pig feet. Oh yeah. See, I ain't gonna kiss no woman's foot, but I will kiss a pig's foot. Look. It ain't got nothing to do with soul food. When you're broke, everything tastes good. Pig feet are cheap. I'm sorry, Mr. Pig, but your feet are cheap. We're going to eat you. Well, I'm sorry. That's where it goes. Look at that sucker shape. Prize, everybody. After a good game of basketball, pierre de cochon. Yeah.
Man, what the hell is that?
I ain't listening to no pierre de cochon.
You don't eat pig feet.
I just don't.
Yeah, get out of here. You better go get us some McDonald's or some KFC or something.
I want the 2 steaks.
Y'all kiss my ass. Pig feet. I don't believe they don't eat pig feet. This is pierre de cochon. Now go home and get you some. It's a French delicacy. Get you some French fries. Look. Get some hot sauce on these pig feet. Get you some pig feet. Pierre de cochon. Now get the hell out of here. Yeah, they go out the window. Now get on. ISIS. Ebola. Say one thing. I don't call them ISIS. I call them is. And I know one thing. I ain't fucking with them. Crazy people. Killing babies and cutting people's heads off. And I can't believe how sad they look when they get their head cut off. Try to get away. If I was trying to get my head cut off, if they're trying to cut my head off, I'd be doing like this. And they shut up. Fuck you. I'd be ducking like a motherfucker. Be still. Fuck you again. I've been trying to talk their language. I said, I'm gonna look at my brother. I said, I'm gonna look at my brother. My brother. I'm gonna look at my brother. Oh, and while he's pandering to the TV, trying to be Mr. Big Shot, he gonna cut my head off. He want Obama next. I tell you one thing, while he's looking that way, I'll be headed to the desert. Fuck you. I'm listening to one of my CDs, 63 cents. One of my favorite songs on the rap CD I have out. Don't nobody go in the bathroom for 35 or 45 minutes. And people keep telling me, why don't you change shirts? Why don't you change aprons? Kiss my ass. The only thing I'm gonna change is my name. If I make me some money, I'm gonna be player spoon. Nobody go in the bathroom. Please don't go in the bathroom. Don't nobody go in the bathroom for the next 35, 45 minutes. I'm not garlic. Look at that. Ah, damn! This ain't the Food Network. This show is dedicated to my uncle, Uncle Louis Chili Witherspoon. People think chili came from Spain or Mexico. Oh no! Uncle Louis created chili. He used to make this stuff where everybody said, what is this good stuff you making? Chili? He said, I don't know, I'm putting herbs and spices together and vegetables. I put a little meat on top and everybody like it. I just want to call it something. He said, I don't know what to call it. I said, well, let's call it chili. That's how we started chili. Woo! I'm listening to my song. Look. You gotta coordinate. Dance now with your big old ass. Don't nobody go in the bathroom for 35, 45 minutes. Bang, 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 bang. And the most popular one on here, don't be pussy whipped with that pussy. I'll be right back. Hey! Please don't go in the bathroom. Nobody go in the bathroom. Fuck that up. And Mrs. Heist, my next door neighbor, this old German lady who loves me. She think I'm gonna tap that ass one day, but I'm not. I'm cooking a whole cake. Whole cake. Hoes got to eat too. Now, ho! Look at that pot there. Look at that. Can't wait to get these neck bones. All right, y'all, here we go. Y'all know how to cut these onions up? Look. Well, it's a little thick, but holes are thick too. Look at them all. Look at them neck bone, they clean, they ready to go. Now look at this. Get you some. Oh, wait a minute. I'm crying. These neck bones in here. Oh, man. Yeah, okay. Look at the neck bone. Oh. Oh, that onion make you cry like a little bitch. Oh, look at me. Yeah. But you gotta eat it 7 more. Listen to it. Listen to it sear. You hear that sound? Woo! Get you look at that. Look at that bad boy. Whole meal. That costs about $9. Everybody eat. Everybody. Look at that cornbread. That's oozing with butter. Look at it. God! Damn, Andre. Okay, this is Uncle Louis Chili Witherspoon final product. Look at that beautiful bowl of chili. And I highly recommend with this bowl of chili, a Thunderbird TC. See there? Thunderbird TC. Or the original Thunderbird. Been around for a long time. Thunderbird. What's the word? Thunderbird. Or you can get the Boom Farm apple wine. When I was a kid, we used to go to rock concerts. Boom Farm apple wine. Now, if you want to stretch, Night Train Express. Woo! Woo! Wonderful to go with this beautiful meal. Now, I'm going to see you next time. Let me try it first. Ooh, I bet it's good too. Look at it. Hot. Oh, it's so good. Okay, everybody, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. And remember, cooking for poor people, because when you're hungry, everything tastes good. Woo!